Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today, continuing with the series on how to lower your blood sugar levels and to keep from having spikes. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the glycemic index. So before we get started, I need to clarify that I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nutritionist, I'm just a YouTuber who has diabetes and I'm trying to get control over my blood sugar levels. That's it. So with that being said, come on, let's get started. Okay, what is the glycemic index? Well, I had this question. I've been a diabetic for 32 years. I've heard the glycemic index for several years from several different doctors and nutritionists and dietitians and all that. But they never told me what it was. So until I started doing this series, I had no idea. So then I decided to look it up. And the glycemic index, or the GI, is the ranking of carbohydrates on a scale from 0 to 100 according to the extent of how fast your blood sugar levels go up after you eat. Foods with a high glycemic index are the ones that digest fast and will make your blood sugars rise rapidly. Foods with a low glycemic index take longer to digest and will raise your blood sugar slower or not at all. So the best choice for diabetics are to find the glycemic index foods that are on the low side of the chart. Now, I also need to explain that when they built this chart, they did it on equal parts of every food on here was measured with 50 grams of carbohydrates. And if you notice on the chart, the low glycemic index, or lower carbs are in green. And then you have your medium, which are in the yellow. And then the high ones are in red. Now, according to this, you want to stay away from the red. And if you look, as we scroll, we have breads, we have beans and nuts, we have cereals, we have beverages, dairy products, we have fruits, vegetables, grains and starches, sweeteners, snack foods, pasta and noodles. Now, they're saying, take sweeteners for example. They're saying that the best sweetener is stevia natural. And the worst sweetener is glucose, which is sugar, white granulated sugar. But also in the high category is Splenda. And that's because it's an artificial sweetener. And honey is in the medium category. And then, like snack food, they're saying the good snack foods are Nutella, M&Ms with peanuts, corn chips, Snickers bars, and then the medium is potato chips, blueberry muffins, shortbread cookies, rye chips, popcorn, and then the ones you want to stay away from are graham crackers, soda crackers, donuts, vanilla wafers, rice cakes, pretzels, and fruit roll-ups. Okay, well, here is the thing. I understand that they make these lists, and through their study, that's what this is. But I know from my experience that if I eat corn chips, my blood sugar rises really fast and it goes really high. Like Fritos, if I eat Fritos, my blood sugar is sky high. And the same with potato chips. If I eat potato chips, my sugar will go sky high. Now if I eat and here's the thing, if I eat graham crackers, it doesn't raise my sugar that much. So this chart, to me, is very confusing. I will put a link in the description box for this glycemic chart, and you will be able to download it. You can download it on any of your devices, your phone, your tablet, your laptop, your computer, any device that you can download to, you can download this. So when you go to the grocery store, you can just pull it up and see what the better choices are. But I'm going to tell you that this is good to give you a place to start. But the best way to find out how your sugar levels react to foods is by keeping track. So I'm going to tell you the best way to do this is when you eat something and you just check your blood sugar levels to see how fast your sugar levels rise when you eat it. And I know that, like fruit juices and stuff like that, it will rise within a half hour. foods normally take an hour to 2 hours to raise your blood sugars. Now, here's the thing. Let's look at these fruits. Okay? This one says the very best fruit to eat is cherries. Okay? And then the very worst, the only one in the red in fruit is watermelon. Well, I'm going to tell you now. Watermelon doesn't raise my blood sugar that much. So this summer, when it's in the 80s and 90s, yes, I'm still going to be eating watermelon. 1, because it keeps me hydrated. And 2, I like it. And like I said, just when you eat things, you can check the glycemic index here. And when you eat something that's a high glycemic, just check and see how fast your sugar goes up. Because that's the only way you're going to know. To me, this chart is a suggestion. But like I said, that's from my research. Everyone's body is different. So do your research and check to see how your body reacts to food. And if you notice, like over here on the pasta, it doesn't have no red pasta. But I know for a fact that when I eat pasta, my sugar levels go up. So like I said, just do your own research, check your sugars and see how they react. But you can download this chart so you have it. And like I said, I will put it, it'll be the first thing in the description box. So that way you can see it. I would like to thank you all for watching the video. I hope you got something out of this. I know that this is very confusing. And you just have to do your own research. You have to check your blood sugars and see how they react to the foods you eat. So if you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. My wall still is not done. I don't know when he's coming back to finish. So that is one reason why last week you only got the Tuesday video, because every day he told me he was coming and then he never showed up. So I don't know when he's coming back. But I won't be worried about it. If he's here, he's here, and I need to make a video, I'm making a video. I wasted a week of my time waiting on him. I ain't doing that no more. If you want, you can become a channel member by hitting that join button. If you would like to help support the channel, there is a link to mine and Buddy's Amazon wishlist and our PayPal account. And as always, guys, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. And have a great day. Bye-bye, guys.